Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Stefan from Paint Boss on YouTube. Today we're going to tell you how we do a little bit of a custom touch to a custom home. This is a nice little painter's hack, and it's a nice way to really finish off how we do these big custom houses, because we don't want a bunch of light rings, right, or LED rings that are all bright white when we have a nice edgecomb gray wall. So we're going to show you how we customize everything in our houses all the way down to the light cans. All right, let's check this out. All right, so we're going to take you into our little spray booth. We have Francisco in here that's masked all of our LED light cans. And here you see, these are all the light pucks. So in a house this size, we're going to have a couple hundred, but this is just that one last element of really customizing your house. And for you homeowners, when you guys switch to LED lights from your older lights, your older fluorescents, or your incandescents, you're going to buy these in boxes, and this is a little way you can do it. So all of you guys that have tan houses or gray houses, these are what we're doing. This is what they're going to look like from Home Depot. These are Westinghouse LED cans, and a lot of folks go to the big box stores and buy them, or you can order them from an electrician. So as you can see in here, just for reference, this house is all edgecomb gray from Benny Moore. So it's kind of a nice, really warm tan. And so when we come into here, we're going to spray all of our light cans the warm tan. Just one more of that custom look so that we don't have a bunch of bright white LED cans on a nice, warm edgecomb gray wall. So this is a nice little painter's hack or trick to just step it up to that super high level of detail. This is a really nice way to get a custom finish, and that way you're not staring at a bunch of bright white light cans in your ceiling. So as you can see, Francisco's spraying out of a spray can. Most of you guys, I don't know if everybody can do it, but most of you guys can take in your wall color, and Sherwin or Benjamin Moore or Dunn Edwards, most places can take your wall color, they put it into an oil-based paint, and they make spray cans. So let me explain a little bit more about that. So this is what it looks like from Sherwin-Williams. So what we do is we order 1 quart of an oil-based paint to match our wall color, and they fill it up with our paint that we're using. So this one is done by Sherwin. This is the one that they do. And you buy a quart, and that gives you usually about 6 cans. So it comes like this, but then you're a total boss because you get to do all of your trim and your exhaust fans for the bathrooms, and you can actually do it with oil-based paint, which is going to stick a lot better to the vinyl, plastic, and aluminum that these light pucks have. Alrighty. And this isn't crazy. I mean, you can see he's done a lot. These are all unmasked, right? But now you can see the difference of the white light puck, and now you're looking at an edgecomb gray rim. So when you trim out these houses, and these are all installed, they're all going to disappear into the ceiling, so you're not staring at it. Alrighty, for this it was pretty simple. You can see we just have our 3M blue tape. And usually Francisco likes doing that. You can do about 1 or 2 strips. You see it? That one's actually overlapped. And then he just cuts them out with a razor blade. So Francisco, why don't you show us how you prepare one of these for the people at home. So that's what they look like when they come. So all you guys can see the difference. This is a white on white, and that's an edgecomb gray. So Francisco's going to show you real quick how we go about doing this. He's just going to set it in the middle. Very nice. And you just cut it. It's as simple as that. It's kind of similar to automotive masking. You're just going to tape it in there, and then you cut it out so it's nice and clean. Alrighty, so this one is a 6-inch LED, I believe. This is a 6-inch can. So we're going to require 3 strips. And see how he pushes it in there with his fingernail? That makes sure it's really in there. We're not going to get any overspray. And then he gently cuts around it with his razor knife. Look at how nice and clean that is. This is a good little trick. This is a good little DIY thing that a lot of people are doing. A lot of homeowners are doing this. They're taking all their old cans and they're putting in these new LEDs because they're just so efficient and they draw so much less effective heat can go and cover all of these. And this is what they look like once they're sprayed. All right, everybody, so that's how we do it. Just a little, I know it's a little cheesy and all that, but it's just a little paint hack to make you that much better. Just these little finishing details to make sure it all goes well. This is a good little DIY project for you guys at home when you change out your light cans to be more energy efficient. Alrighty, thanks everybody. If you liked the video, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe and put on that little bell. Make sure you guys get all of our notifications when we do new videos. Thanks everybody.